Mm. Mm. Sometimes love no need words. I hear it in all the silence. She never tell me how she feel, but her eyes them could reveal. Every time I pass her way, she look but she no stay. She smile but turn her face, like love is a hidden place. But me feel it in the air, something deep was always there. She would sit just far from me, like a shadow in the tree. But me heart know all along, her silence was a love song. Oh girl, why you hide it so, when me already know? Every heartbeat you try conceal, me still know what you feel. She loved me in silence, I heard her heart, even when the world tear we apart. No words spoken, still so true. My soul was listening to you. She loved me in silence, soft and deep, like secrets that the night will keep. Even when she walk away, her heart still call my name. Late nights when the breeze blows slow, I wonder if she let it show. All the feelings she contained, like falling gentle rain. She would pass me on the street, heartbeat rising, can't retreat. But she act like nothing's there, like love was never in the air. But me know behind her eyes, she was fighting all the lies, trying not to play it strong. Oh, and she knew she loved me long. Yeah. Girl, me hear your heart so clear, even when you're not near. Love no need no spoken word, it's the loudest thing I've heard. She loved me in silence, I heard her heart, even when the world tear we apart. No words spoken, still so true. My soul was listening to you. She loved me in silence, soft and deep, like secrets that the night will keep. Even when she walk away, her heart still call my name. If only she had stayed, we could have found a better way. But silence built the wall too high between her love and I. Still I feel her every night, like moonlight holding tight. Even though she's far from me, her heart still lives in me. Now I walk these lonely roads, carrying love that she never showed. But I know in time we'll see what was meant for you and me. Every wind that passes through whispers things I never knew, but one truth will always stay. Her silence never went away. She loved me in silence, I heard her heart, even when the world tear we apart. No words spoken, still so true. My soul was listening to you. She loved me in silence, soft and deep, like secrets that the night